Hey, what is up guys, this is Rishan and you're watching Technocrat Rishan, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of ASUS VIVOBOOK 14. So as you can see, I have ordered this from Flipkart, and here is the box itself. It comes in a pretty good box. So let's take out the laptop, and here it is. Here we have the tagline, "In search of incredible." Let's take it out. Okay, this comes in a pretty good cover. Let's see what's inside the box. Some paperwork, some information manual, and some more paperwork. And here we have an interesting thing, that is, yes, these are stickers which I can stick to the laptop. Pretty cool. But then I like the stock looks, so I won't stick this. On the right we have the power cable. It is pretty good. Let's keep it aside. And on the left we have the power adapter, which is a 45 watts. Let's keep it aside. Okay, that's enough of the box contents. Let's keep the box aside and have a look of the laptop. Let's take it out. Boom. Here is the laptop itself. Here we have the ASUS VIVOBOOK branding, and the color is Dreamy white. And here is the laptop, the world's first 7nm chipset, and of course it has the Ryzen 4000 series Ryzen 5. And also this laptop is lightweight, has a nano edge display, and also has a Type-C adapter. The sound is by Harman and Kardon, and here it is. And here we are to the first boot.
And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
No.
Which region do you want to use?
India.
I've got that you want to use India. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
No.
Which keyboard do you want to use?
United Kingdom. United Kingdom.
I've got that you want to use the United Kingdom. Is that right?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No.